In this video, I'll show you how to hide sold out products in Squarespace. As you can see here on my website view, if I have a sold out product at the very bottom, it will automatically say that it is sold out. In order for you to hide this, what you want to do is simply head over to the navigation panel on the left hand side. And from here, you just want to simply click on products and services. Now, under products and services, you want to click on products, and this will take you to your products page where you have all your products in one page. Now, what you want to do is simply hover on a product. Now, in here, as you can see on the stock section, you will actually see if a product is out of stock. At the bottom of the stock, you will see an option in here that is red and it will say that it is out of stock. If I scroll down on my different products, you will see that they do not have this option. Unless I change the stock to 0, then it will automatically say that it is out of stock. Now, to hide this, what you want to do is simply head over to the visibility tab. Now, in here, you will see the option for public. Now, once you hover your mouse on public, what you want to do is click on the drop down, and in here, you will have three options, either public, hidden, or scheduled. Now, what you want to do is simply click on hidden. And once you do that, as you can see, the visibility will now be hidden and your out of stock product will no longer show in your page. Now, if we head over back to our website, as you can see on my shop page, the t-shirt or the out of stock product is no longer there. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.